Hi, welcome to Father.
And Son Investing. We created this channel nearly 6 years ago during the heart of the pandemic. Now, a lot has changed since then. I'm now an intern at Johns Hopkins and applying to medical school this summer to fulfill my dream. But the purpose of this channel remains the same. We're trying to inspire young and old to start their investing journey early. I started my investing journey at just 14 years old. I've already seen the incredible impact that made for me, and I'm hoping to share that with the younger generation.
We hope you'll find from this channel that it's never too late to start investing. No matter how skilled you are, we hope you'll learn something of use from our channel.
We want to welcome you to the channel. We hope you stay and that we can help you on your journey to getting started with investing. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or more advanced with us, we hope that you'll learn something new.
Most of all, I, as a father, hope that you'll teach your children, your grandchildren, or any child that you love something about money, about the world of investing. This is where their opportunities will open up. Financial security comes from financial knowledge and putting that knowledge to work. And until next time, enjoy your investing.
And we'll see you in the next one.